Tickly, bubbly, let's sing and play.
Through the jungle, wild and free, a red-haired girl with glee. With an elephant, chipmunk, and pup, they laugh and never give up. Splashing waves in golden sand, building castles hand in hand. The elephant sprays, the corgi runs, a perfect day of beachside fun. Fireflies dance and mushrooms glow, a world of magic starts to show. The girl walks on her heart so light, through a forest full of sparkling light. Up they rise into the sky, drifting where the clouds float by. The elephant trumpets, the chipmunk cheers, as the sunset glows through golden spheres. Snowflakes twirl and ice shines bright, they build a snowman heart so light. The corgi jumps, the elephant plays in a winterland of snowy days. Bubbles rise and fishes gleam, a shining coral like a dream. The girl and friends dive in so deep, where ocean secrets softly sleep. Through the stars and out so far, past the planets, near a star. The elephant floats, the chipmunk grins, exploring space where fun begins. Lights that twinkle right so tall, laughter echoes, fun for all. Cotton candy games to play, a perfect glowing happy day. A treasure chest beneath the sea, with sparkling gold and mystery. The pirate girl shouts, come and see, adventure waits for you and me.